What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G smartphone, the Free Fire Special Edition version, and in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, hardware specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. As you can see, this is not like a regular Tecno smartphone retail box. It's totally different. We got this pyramid shaped retail box here. So on this side we got the picture of the device, Free Fire branding, because this is the special edition Free Fire version of Pova 5 Pro 5G. Here we got the picture of the device. It comes with 68 watt fast charging. So this is something that you won't find on other smartphones in this price segment. Here we got the Tecno branding, the Free Fire character, and this device comes with high-res audio certification for both wired and wireless. Here we got the information that it comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the color variant we got is Silver Fantasy. And here we got the in-depth information and hardware specs of the Pova 5 Pro 5G. So it comes with 5000 mAh battery, 68 watt fast charging. We got MediaTek Dimensity 6080 5G processor. We got 50 megapixel AI camera and 6.78 inch Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got our Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G, the Free Fire edition in Silver Fantasy. Here we got the SIM card tray ejector pin. We got this gift card here for the Free Fire, Tecno 24 months warranty, the safety information guide, the user manual, once again the warranty card, and here we got some Free Fire stickers with Tecno branding as well. So this is once again pretty nice for the fans of Free Fire. Here is a silicon TPU case for the back panel. Got this 68 watt charger here, a USB Type-C cable, and it's really nice that Tecno is providing a 3.5mm earphone as well. So inside the retail box of Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G Free Fire edition, you will find the smartphone, some user manuals, quick start guide, etc., a gift code for Free Fire, some Free Fire stickers, a case for the back panel, 68 watt charger, USB Type-C cable and a 3.5mm earphone as well. So as you can see, Tecno is providing a very rich retail box for Pova 5 Pro Free Fire edition here. So here is the Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G Free Fire edition, and as you can see, the back panel is really eye-catching, super gorgeous. So let's switch on the device. So the setup process is completed and we are good to go with our Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G Free Fire edition. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side, we got a huge 6.78 inch display. The bezels on the sides as well as at the top are pretty thin. We got a bit of chin here at the bottom, but the good part is that with this stock wallpaper, the edges are totally merging with the wallpaper itself and the real bezels are barely visible. The edge of the display are slightly curved, giving a premium vibe to the device. At the top center, we got the cutout for the front-facing camera. Right above it, there is a tiny slit where you will find the earpiece that also works as the secondary speaker. And here at the top, we got the grill for that speaker. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, a 3.5mm jack. On the left side, we got the SIM card tray slot where you will find 2 nano SIM card slot as well as a dedicated micro SD card slot. So this is quite nice that Tecno is providing 3.5mm jack as well as a dedicated micro SD card slot on Tecno Pova 5 Pro. On the right side, we got the power key that also works as the fingerprint sensor, and then we got the volume rockers. The power key is totally flat and kind of embedded in the frame itself, so it would be nice if it was slightly elevated to give the idea that whether you are touching it or not. Right now it's barely giving the feel of touching the fingerprint sensor or the power key. The shiny glossy frame is matching with the back panel of the device, but it is grabbing lots of fingerprint and smudges very easily, as you can see here. The device does not come with any kind of IP certification, and there is no information provided whether we got Gorilla Glass on the display, but it comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on it, so there is just minor protection provided on the display of Pova 5 Pro. The whole body is made of plastic, even the back panel, and it weighs 212 grams, but surprisingly it does not feel that heavy in hand while holding the device, and you will be able to use it for hours for playing games, etc. without facing any issue. The most unique aspect of the design of Pova 5 Pro 5G is the back panel. As you can see, it comes with a very eye-catching, unique industrial design that looks beautiful and gorgeous. Here we got the Tecno Pova branding. The same design is used here on this corner, and here at the Tecno Pova branding, it gives the impression of a metal plate. We got another one here in the center, but if you move your finger, you can see it is one single exterior we got, but it gives the impression of 3D elements in the back panel of the device. And as you can see, the back panel is fingerprint magnet. Lots of smudges and fingerprints are everywhere, just like the frame of the device, so you will have to keep cleaning it time to time. The best thing will be to use the provided back panel case, and then you will be good to go. In this part here, we got some LED lights. The same goes in the center as well, and you can even customize them for different kind of function to easily get the idea what exactly happening with your smartphone. You get plenty of options to customize the RGB lighting effect on the back of the Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G. Back panel looks gorgeous from every angle. The camera module is also not that elevated, so there will be no wobbling effect if you put the device on a flat surface, but the lenses are a bit big in size considering the small sensors we got here. But it gives overall a nice symmetrical look to the back panel of Pova 5 Pro. Now talking about the display, first of all, let me switch to the Free Fire theme. So here we got the Free Fire theme because this is a Free Fire edition smartphone, so better to use that one. So here we got one of the character of Free Fire on our wallpaper. So talking about the display, we got a 6.78-inch display with 85% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is 396, and because of that the display is quite nice here on this device. The colors are punchy with 396 PPI. The display is very sharp. The viewing angles are great as well, and the maximum brightness can go as high as 580 nits, and considering the price segment of the device, it's good enough for sure. It also comes with 120Hz refresh rate, so you can see that the display is quite smooth here at 120Hz. The only thing I'm missing here is that it does not come with an OLED display that you might find on some other smartphones in this price segment. But again, the rest of the hardware specs are superior in nearly every spec compared to other smartphones of this price segment. Talking about the software side, Pova 5 Pro 5G Free Fire Edition comes with a special edition Free Fire theme as well as the wallpapers. So here we got the Free Fire theme. As you can see, it also comes with plenty of wallpapers that you can use on your Pova 5 Pro 5G, and they are also implemented on the lock screen as well. So every time you go to the lock screen, you will find a different wallpaper on the lock screen of Pova 5 Pro 5G if you have applied the Free Fire Edition theme on it. And if you would like to switch to the regular theme, then we got the option for that as well. But the whole concept of buying this phone itself is that you are a Free Fire fan and you want to have this special edition Free Fire smartphone with Free Fire content. So here you can see that it comes with a smart widget. We got AI gallery, high browser, we got high themes, and here we got iOS family applications. As you can see here, I don't know why the WPS Office is part of that. VLive here is as well. I'm not sure what exactly is that. In tools, you will find some nice useful applications. As you can see that it comes with compass, sound recorder, calculator, and we got the FM player as well. And then here we got the freezer, Facebook, some bloatware like TikTok, etc. as well. And the good part is that Tecno is giving the option to uninstall any of the third-party application if you do not want to use it on your device. It also comes with the Tecno's personal assistant called Ella, and if you go to the settings here, you can see that this is a quite feature-rich software we got on our Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G. If you go to the special function, you can see lots of options and settings we got to improve your productivity. So we will have a look on all of this in our later videos. Right now I just wanted to give you an idea about the software based features we got here. And just like many of the smartphones these days, the Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G also comes with the RAM expansion feature called MAME Fusion. Now talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front-facing camera capable of recording 1080p resolution videos, and on the back we got a 50 megapixel primary camera and a 0.8 megapixel depth sensor. So there is no wide-angle camera, no macro lens, or no dedicated optical zoom lens provided on this device. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find, and you can see that it comes with plenty of camera features as you can see. So what we got here is the film, video, AI cam, beauty, portrait, super night mode, sky shop, pro mode, panorama, document, slow motion, time lapse, dual video, AR shot, and AR lines. So huge amount of features we got here. And if you go to the video, you can see that it is capable of recording 2K resolution videos that once again you won't find on majority of the smartphones in this price segment. So here we got some templates that you can use to record some videos in some fancy ways. In the film section, we got portrait mode, super night mode, and it comes with 2x toggle as well. But let me remind you that this is going to be purely a digital zoom. We got the beautification mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We also got lots of AI based features using which you can slim your body, slim your head, and perform lots of beautification. So overall, in terms of camera features, Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G is looking pretty solid, and it comes with a very impressive 1.6 aperture. So we'll see how good the camera performance of the device is going to be in our later videos, but right now it is looking pretty solid for sure. The only thing missing are there is no ultra wide angle lens or the macro lens on this device, but to be honest, those are the features that usually do not contribute much in the budget smartphones of this price segment. So overall, Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G, the Free Fire Special Edition, is looking pretty solid smartphones in nearly every respect in its price segment, as it comes with a 6.78-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery with super fast 68-watt charging, a dedicated micro SD card slot, 3.5mm jack, stereo speaker setup with high-res audio certification, and a gorgeous eye-catching back panel with nice 3D depth and multiple RGB lighting effects. So that's all for now, friends. Many more videos of Tecno Pova 5 Pro 5G Free Fire Edition are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.